Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Sienna sliding door panel. First, gather your tools, including a plastic pry bar set, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a ratchet set. It's important to turn off the automatic sliding door switch, typically found above the driver's kick panel, to prevent accidental movement. Also, roll down the window on the door you're working on. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer removal process for your door panel. Next, we'll focus on detaching the handles and trim pieces. Begin by removing the small screw positioned near the inner door handle. Then, use a plastic pry tool to gently pop out the power window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. You might also find one or two Phillips head screws in the armrest or door pull cup that need to be removed. Keep all screws in a safe place. Now, let's move on to releasing the main door panel clips. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool or even your hands to gently but firmly pull the panel away from the door. You'll hear popping sounds as the plastic clips disengage. There are usually about 13 clips securing the panel. Work your way around the bottom and sides. Once most clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards to clear the window channel and remove it. With the panel mostly free, you'll need to disconnect any final electrical connectors, like those for the courtesy light. Also, carefully detach the door latch and lock cables from the inner handle assembly. These usually have small plastic retaining clips or collars. Before reinstallation, check all the white plastic clips on the panel. Replace any that are broken to ensure a secure fit. To reinstall, align the panel, reconnect all cables and wires, then firmly push the panel back into place until all clips engage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.